Hello everyone, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to review 12.5-inch rock cast iron dosa tawa which I have bought from Amazon at rupees 849. Its actual price is around 2050 rupees. In this video I will share the cleaning, seasoning and first use of the tawa both on the gas and induction oven. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. This tawa is quite heavy and comes with a wooden spatula. This tawa is made of 100% natural and toxin free pre-seasoned cast iron which increases iron content in the food. Hence it is budget friendly healthy cooking option for making crispy dosas, chilas, omelets and pancakes. The wooden spatula is really nice. Next, I have cleaned the tawa prior to use with mild detergent using plastic scrubber. Then I have dried it completely using cotton cloth and then applied some oil on all the surfaces of the tawa. Next, I am going to fry one onion slice on the cast iron tawa prior to making dosa because the natural oils in the onion help to season the pan, which creates a non-stick surface that prevents the dosa batter from sticking, resulting in crispier, easier to remove dosas. Fry until the onion turns black. Then I left the tawa overnight prior to use, and in the next morning I have washed it first and then made it dry with cotton cloth and then placed it over gas flame. After heating for a while, I am using mustard oil for seasoning it before cooking. I am going to make oats dosa. I have reduced the flame to the lowest before pouring the dosa batter on the tawa. My first oats dosa turned out really well, although it got stick to the tawa a little. Then I made two more mini dosas on this tawa and they didn't stick to the tawa and turned out really well. Now I am using the tawa on induction oven. And now I am using the same oats dosa batter to make oats dosa. If you want to watch naturally fermented oats dosa recipe, I will share this with you later. Oats dosa is a bit soft, but if you use rice, it will be crispier than this. My oats dosa is ready to be served and I am completely satisfied with the product. If you find this video is useful to you, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.